Hey, it's Terry Bontemps. Yes, it is. Day 77. Oh, and I am getting more excited because we're getting close to the end. Anyway, what I want to show you guys today is look at that baseboard. Put a little baseboard down now. Hey, we're doing up the final touches, and I want to show you guys. Oh, look at that bathroom. Woo! Let me go inside here and show you guys what's going on. Look at this white marble. Woo! We done put it on the stand-up shower, you guys. That is nice. Okay, I'll pan back around here. Okay, we still got some work to do. We got the vanity in. Just got to see that I need to get a mirror. Right? Oh, the colors look really good. Okay, it turned out really nice. Still have to put in the toilet, of course, but hey, let me show you what that bathtub looks like. Matching, okay, marble and tile. Wow, look at that. Good stuff. Whew. This is so exciting to be able to be at this point, you guys. I'm one step away, okay, which is the kitchen cabinets. Again, I still got some more touch-up trim to do, but you can see what it's going to look like based upon this wall right here and this trim. Again, going to the bathroom. Now, let me take you out to the living room, dining room area, going down that hallway. It's a long view there. Give you a quick pan around. Again, just taking at the look at the walls, the baseboard, taking a look at the windows, okay, how things are starting to look. I really like the colors, the gray with the blue walls and the white trim to accent it. Boom, there you go. Okay, and again, we haven't done much on the kitchen. Kitchen's going to be starting next week, probably on Tuesday. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you can see now that this thing is looking really good. It's supposed to close on the 13th of next month. I think I'm in a little bit more time. Back house supposed to be moving out by the 1st of this month, which is another few more days. So it's coming together. You guys have a good one. Take care. Bye.